If you're wondering how to minimize market risk in your retirement portfolio, you're not alone. Many retirees are concerned about how to protect their wealth, especially with the market's volatility. You're probably thinking about ways to safeguard your savings and make sure you don't outlive your retirement funds. Well, that's exactly what we're going to tackle in this video. Keep watching, because by the end, you'll have some practical steps to help reduce market risk. And I'll share with you the one strategy that many high net worth retirees are using to protect their wealth right now. If you're serious about securing your retirement, click the first link in the description to grab your free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are already taking action to protect their savings, and you can too. Let's jump into it. First, let's understand that market risk is the risk of losing money due to market fluctuations. This is a big concern for retirees who rely on their savings to live. So, how do we minimize that risk? One of the best ways to minimize market risk is by diversifying your portfolio. But here's the thing. Diversification doesn't just mean having a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It means ensuring you have exposure to different asset classes that don't move in lockstep with one another. That way, when one area of the market dips, others may hold steady or even rise. For example, traditional portfolios with stocks and bonds often carry high exposure to market downturns. If the stock market crashes, your retirement funds can take a hit. But there's one asset class that's known for holding its value: gold. A gold IRA in particular can serve as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Gold has stood the test of time, and it's been used for centuries to protect wealth. In fact, more and more retirees are turning to gold IRAs to minimize their market risk. If you're interested in learning why so many Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their savings, make sure you get that free guide through the link in the description. It's perfect for anyone with $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even those with up to $5 million in savings. But, back to the point. Diversifying with precious metals like gold can be one of the best ways to minimize risk in your portfolio. Another strategy for minimizing market risk is allocating some of your retirement savings into fixed income investments. Things like bonds or CDs can provide stable returns with less risk than stocks. But remember, even bonds carry risks, like interest rate fluctuations. That's why it's essential to balance this with more stable, tangible assets, such as gold. Gold doesn't have the same interest rate risk and typically doesn't correlate with the bond or stock markets. Next, consider shifting some of your riskier investments into less volatile assets as you approach retirement. The closer you are to needing your funds, the less risk you should be taking on. You don't want to be heavily invested in the stock market when you're planning to start withdrawing. A more conservative allocation can help preserve your wealth. But here's the real game changer: adding a gold IRA to your portfolio. Gold isn't just a safe haven, it's a tangible asset that you can physically own and control. It doesn't rely on interest rates, and it typically performs well when markets are volatile or inflation is on the rise. As a retiree, having part of your portfolio in a gold IRA can give you peace of mind, knowing your wealth is protected. If you want to take control of your wealth and minimize your market risk, especially if you have over $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, a gold IRA might be the perfect solution. Click the link in the description to get your free guide and learn how thousands of Americans are securing their retirement with gold IRAs. In conclusion, minimizing market risk in your retirement portfolio doesn't have to be complicated. Diversify your assets, consider fixed income investments, and always have a portion of your wealth in something stable, like gold. By doing so, you'll protect your wealth and you'll be less affected by the market's ups and downs. And remember, if you're serious about protecting your retirement in the next 2 weeks, get that free gold IRA guide. It's the best way to start safeguarding your savings. If you've got $100K plus in an IRA or 401K, or even more than $5 in savings, this could be the perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.